So we are headed down to the Freedom Factory, day 2 of driving the Cybertruck. We woke up bright and early. We're on the road right now. It's 7:30. It says we're gonna get there at 8:16. Cars and Coffee at Cleetus starts at 8. So try not to go too fast. But one of the things I've learned on driving this thing, it's kind of first world problems, I understand, but not having the full self-driving or the cruise control is kind of annoying. I mean, you gotta actually drive this vehicle. It's crazy. So it's hard to regulate my speed. I keep speeding up, slowing down, speeding up. So other than that, it's good. The turn signals, you're getting used to those. Instead of the Model S having the stock, you know, I have the buttons here, so let's switch lanes to the left lane. Turns on a little camera down here. Make sure I don't run into anybody. And then it automatically turns off, so it's great. Alright, so we're updating you. It's 7:55 now. You know, as we're driving along, I realized there's some buttons down here. Let me try pressing them. So it turns out it does actually have cruise control. So you just press the little steering, the wheel, the little button. So it turns out it does actually have cruise control. You just press the little scroll wheel right here, and you can increase your speed or decrease your speed by turning the wheel. So, my bad. Alright, how's your temperature? Let me adjust that for you. You want your hair moved more towards your stomach? Or towards your head? How would you like it? Or more to the left? Or to the right?
Oh, right there.
Alright, you got it.
Feels great.
I think I'm going to do mine more towards my crotchal region. There we go. Isn't that cool? Alright, we're pulling up to the Freedom Factory now. So we got a couple of Mustangs, and then we even got ourselves the old Platycee way up there. So maybe we'll park next to him, the little electric section. You know, don't want to blend in with the gas folks. So it looks like let's see if our charger is taken up. I can't see right now, but looks like there's some motorcycles there. Can you zoom in? Can you see our charger down there? I don't think anybody's there. So if we need to, we can get a little charge up. How's it going?
Not the Beast out, huh?
It's not the Beast, but it's the all-wheel drive version.
Oh, that's right. I forget there is one called the Beast. So.
Yeah.
How is it though?
Oh, it's crazy.
Here we go, girls.
Going into the Freedom Factory.
What you think,
I think it's cool. I think it's really awesome.
Kyra?
You think there'll be any other Cybertrucks in here?
No.
Oh, no, I don't think so either. I think we're
We are back here at Cars, Copters, and Coffee at the Freedom Factory. And I'm here with a pretty unique car with the fresh owner. What's your name, buddy?
Chad Real.
Chad, a Tesla Cybertruck.
Can you believe it?
I cannot believe my eyes right now. How are you feeling about this thing so far?
Oh, it's a blast to drive. So luckily I got good friends, and he's like, you can take it down to the Freedom Factory. So
I was looking for my charging spot up there in the front to see if I could charge, but there was a Tesla, a white Model 3 parked there. You know whose that is?
It's not mine. Mine's in the back, so it's one of the other guys. Can we check the inside of this thing out?
Come on over. To open it, looking for merch. We don't have the trailer over here today. Press the button, kicks the door open, and then there you have it.
Oh, wow. Take a look inside of this puppy. We got the white and black leather. Let me get inside here. Oh, dude. The logo is welded into the floor plate. That is sick. Oh, man. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool, dude. Visors are just in the windshield like. Oh, the trunk thing just rolled down. Wow. A whole little action tray down here, phone charger. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is gigantic. This is a pretty sweet car. A lot of hate going on with the Cybertrucks and Tesla, but to be honest, Elon is the man, so I don't care what anybody says.
I like to hear.
I mean, he says it how it is, and he's an American. That's all I got to say about that. Well, guys, can we shoot it?
No! God, please, no! No!
Why don't we do that one over there? It's already got the bullet holes in it. Let's do that one.
All right, we won't shoot this one because she's in tip-top shape.
So there it is. Got to park on the end, and yeah, it was fun. She was showing everybody about the car. It was cool. You don't have the phone?
Yeah.
There, now you're good. She's been a little tour guide for it. It's been awesome. Even got the little Model S loaded up. Put the logo on the back there. But there's another one over there. And that one's a little cooler because they shot it and he's got horns on it. But then they got the Platypus over here too, so I mean, we're converting this place to electric. We won't have to listen to those turbo whistles anymore. Just be silence. So we got our charger here. Somebody was gracious enough, real deal EV, whoever that is. Oh, there goes one of the helicopters. So we're down here at the Cleetus cars, coffees, Copters, Cybertrucks. I don't know what you call it at this point, but there was a little bit of everything in there. But I figured, you know what, we'll get a little charge. You know, sorry brother, no bald eagles here, so we're bald eagle free. Charge her up. There we go. Thanks, Cleeter. No? Okay.
It goes too fast.
You can't go slow?
Oh, I can't. I just blew a shock down there.
Oh.
Blew it up.
I was gonna have her film,
Oh.
because you can watch it on the camera, so I was gonna watch it on the camera.
Yeah, I just did a barrel roll over and blew the shock.
Oh, okay.
It's done for the day.
Oh, okay. They're good.
What'd you want?
I wanted to get a video when I'm on the cameras, and then all of a sudden you see this little truck driving underneath of it, his RC truck. Excitement.
So, guys, right now I'm on YouTube on this tiny little camera. And no, let's search up my YouTube channel. The Real McKenna.
Did I find you?
Let's see. Enter. There we go. 405 subscribers. Thank you. Wow. I wonder if I can
Watching your
subscribe.
YouTube channel and,
Oh, I subscribe.
and a Cybertruck.
Yeah. Ooh, dirt bike.
Some pretty sick colors there. Did you see him?
See who? Oh, Hanson?
There's a guy recording.
Oh.
Alright, so we got to do the cars and coffee with the Cybertruck. Everybody that's coming up to it, even got McKenna to show people how we were opening the doors and stuff like that. Talked to George, talked to Josh, talked to all the guys. They were loving it. They were loving the 4-wheel steering, things like that. Just people were so excited about it, so it was cool. So thanks for watching.